Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Saturday, February the 19th, 2022. I've told you earlier, we have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and also a quintuplet, but I've told you I won't do them anymore. And there's no additional. So I've decided to solve the edition of Monday, February the 14th, 2022. Yeah, 3 days in a row that we have no additional. So I've decided to solve this additional because we have here three puzzles left: Letter Sudoku, the two-star Sudoku, and a tectonic. But first, I will solve the Letter Sudoku, and this will be number 4150. Before I start, I always count the printed letters. In this puzzle we have letters 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 27 printed letters. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudokus, this will be a 1-star. But for 1-star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, for letter Sudoku, I need more time. I believe I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve, because letters are totally different than with digits. Digits you can double check, and we have 9 digits, but for letters we have 26 letters, and 9 of them we have here that we can use. We have the V, the N, the I, the S, the A, the E, the G, the L, and the R, and the goal is to solve this word in Dutch. Yes. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing letters. 2 of those missing letters are the V and the N. We have a V and N in the last row, so no V and N in these 3 boxes. So the V and N goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those. V and N. Okay, I don't like the markings. Okay. So what are the other 3 missing letters in this big square? The S is missing. I see here the S, so no S there. S could be here or there. The E is missing. E could be everywhere. And the J is missing. We see here J in this column, so the J could be here, could be there. Okay, and the E. That means 2 missing letters in the last row. For the letters, A is missing and the I is missing. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the A goes there. Okay. A. J. One of the missing letter in this big square is the letter J. We have a J in this column, so no J in these 2 boxes here. J in this row, so no J in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the J should be there. Okay. The A is missing. The E is missing. Yeah. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters in E. We have an E in this column, so no E in this box. So the E could be here, could be there. E in this column, E in one of those two boxes in the column next. So the last column, only two places left for the E should be here or there. You see there an E, no E there, E should be here. Then yeah. Wait. J in this column. J in the column next. So last column. Only place left for the J should be there. One box left in this last column for letter V. V in this column. V in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the V should be there. Now we have a V there. We have marked those two boxes with a V and a N. So this box can't be V anymore. That box should be a V, and this box should be an N. Okay. Two missing letters in this big square for letters E and the A. We have an A there, no A there. A should be here, and the E goes there. All right. All right. Yeah. V in the third column, V in the second column. So the first column, only two places left for the E's. V should be here or there. We have a V there, no V there. V should be here. V. Okay. Yeah. We have a R in this column, R in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the R should be there. Yeah. R in this row, R in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the R should be there. R in the last column, R in that column, so the column between, only two places left for the R should be here or there. We see there an R, no R there, R should be here. R in this row, the first row, R in the third row. So the row between the second row, only three places left for the R should be here or there. We see that R, no R there, here, no R there. The only place left for the R should be there. And R, and all the R's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter R. Okay. Yeah. Two missing letters in this row. Those missing letters are the S is missing and the L is missing. We have an L there, no L there. L should be here, and the S goes there. L in this column, L in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the L should be there. L. Yeah. J, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a J. We have a J in the second column. So no J in these three boxes here. J in this row. So no J in those two boxes. So the J, it could be here. Could be there. J in one of those two boxes in this row, J in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the J should be here or there. We see then J, no J, no J there. J should be here. All right. Let me see. We have all the V's. No. We have a V in this row, V in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the V should be there. V in the first row, V in the second row. So the third row, the only two places left for the V should be here. Or the we see there V, no V there, V should be here. And all the V's are used. I can't see. Letter number 2, letter V. Yeah. Yeah. How about? Yeah, 4 missing letters in this row. One of the missing letters is an A. We have an A in this big square, so no A in these two boxes. So the A could be here or there. We see another A there, so no A there. A should be there. A in this row, A in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the A should be there. A, A. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing letters in this second row. One of the missing letters is an A. Well, we have an A here, so no A there. Here an A, no A there. So the A could be here or there. We have another A there, so no A there. The only place left for the A should be there. Okay. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. S is missing and the N is missing. S and the N. We have a S there. No S there. S should be there. And the N goes there. One box left in this middle column for the letter. The I is missing. Yeah, the I is missing. E and N. Okay. The E. Well, we have an E in this column. E in the last column. So the column between the only two places left for the E. Sorry, the I in this column. The I in the last column. So the column between the only two places left for the I should be here or there. We see that I, no I there. I should be there. Okay. Now. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. L is missing and the N is missing. We have an N there, no N there. N should be here and the L goes there. So one box left in this row for the letter L, and we have solved this word. The word is slavernij. In Dutch, in English, slavery. Yes, slavery. Okay, let me continue with the puzzle. One box left in this row for the letter. N is missing, I believe. Yes, the N is missing. So we have an N in the third column, N in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the N should be here or there. We have an N there, no N there, N should be there. And in the first row, and in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the N should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. N is missing and the E is missing. We have an N there, no N there, N should be here, and the E goes there. And all the N's are used. I can see letter number 3, letter N. One box left in this column for the letter. J is missing. J. Yes, the J is missing. Okay. Then and I. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters I is missing and the E is missing. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the E goes there. Okay. Then. One box left in this column for the letter S. S in this row, S in the row below. So the third row, the only place left for the S should be there. S in the third column, S in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the S should be there. And all the S's are used. I can see letter number 4, letter S. Alright. Then two missing letters in this big square. For letters L is missing and the A is missing. We have an L there, no L there. L should be here. The A goes there. So we have an A in the third row, A in the second row. So the first row, the only two places left for the A should be here or there. We see there, A, no A there, A should be there. One box left in the first row for the letter E. Yeah, E is missing. Two missing letters here, the J and the E. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here. And the J goes there. I've marked those two boxes with a J. Now we have a J there, so this box can't be a J anymore. That box should be a J. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters E is missing and the I is missing. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here. And the I goes there. And the final two letters in this big square for letters I is missing. And the letter L. Yeah. L and the I. We have an L there, no L there. L should be here. And I goes there, finish in 17 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 17 minutes. I like this one, yes, we do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second puzzle. 8 2-stars puzzle, 2-star Sudoku it will be. Yes, see you then. Bye-bye for now.